7 Investment Tips for Beginners. For newbies, the world of investing can be very confusing. Here are 7 pointers to get you started in the world of investments. 1. Set investment goals and start early. Decide what you want to achieve by investing. Start as soon as possible, even if you are a college student. 2. Look at your finances. Although investing doesn't require a lot of capital up front, there are risks. You don't want to run out of money to cover other bills. 3. Learn about investing. Learn the fundamental terms so you can make informed decisions. Discover more about mutual funds, CDs, stocks, and bonds. 4. Make investments automatic. Put aside a specific sum of money to be invested automatically each month. 5. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs into one basket. 6. Study your portfolio. Knowing what you have and be ready to adjust your investments as the economic environment changes. 7. Set up retirement accounts. Having retirement accounts, like IRAs and 401ks, has numerous tax benefits. Start investing now,